Jai Siya Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you a story, a short story, and what you need to do, you need to just listen this story very carefully, and after that you need to practice. You need to practice this story minimum 10 times. You have to listen this story minimum 10 times, and after that you need to speak. You need to tell a story, that story in your own words. Try to tell this story in your own words. In this way you can easily improve your English, because this is a imitation practice. Once you do this practice again and again, so your English will improve day by day. So use this practice. This is a wonderful practice. So now I am going to tell you a motivational story, but before going to the video I would like to say you, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so the story goes like this. Once upon a time there lived a Zen master with his disciple. After some times another disciple joined them. Other disciple learned much more than the first disciple in a little time. The first disciple noticed that and felt neglected by his master. One day, the first disciple went to his master and said, "Master, I have been studying with you since before that boy came here, and still you taught him more than me. Why?" Master remained silent for a while and then said, "First you listen a story, then I will tell you the answer." The first disciple agreed. Master started telling a story, and the story goes like this. Once a traveler has gone on his way. It was afternoon time and the sun was shining with his intense heat. The traveler felt thirsty. He had no any water. So he started looking around. After walking for a while, he found a well. He found that there was no bucket and water and rope. So he moved on without drinking any water. After a while, some other traveler passed by near. He was also very thirsty. He looked everywhere. He found there was a well. He found there was no bucket and rope. So he started looking around. Then he found a bucket. Then he started looking around. There were no any rope. He found long grass growing nearby. So he started uprooting that grass to make a rope out of it. In short a while, long rope was ready, and with the help of that rope, he pulled out some water and quenched his thirst and moved on. Then master said, "Now tell me which traveler was more thirsty." So the disciple said that, "Master, second traveler was more thirsty, because he tried to bring water out of that well and quench his thirst." Master smiled and said, "You are right. The second traveler was more thirsty because he worked hard to quench his thirst. Same is the case with your fellow boy. His thirst for knowledge is, and he tried to fulfill his thirst of knowledge. So he are ready to practice every time, but you don't." Then the first disciple and got his answer, and from that day on he started to practice, to study, to find some knowledge. So this is a story. Okay, so after that what you need to do, you need to just listen this story minimum 10 times. Okay, and after that you need to tell this story in your own words. So this is called imitation. Imitation, because language are learned by the help of imitation. ओके हम दूसरों की नकल करके ही हम किसी भाषा को सीख सकते हैं. फाइंड आउट when you were child, how did you learn your language, your native language? You just copied your mother, father, sister, and then follow it. So use the same principle to learn this language. Okay, so just start to listen this story very carefully. After that you need to tell this story in your own words. So that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.